Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma like Illustrator. Figma provides a robust set of vector editing tools, making the transition smooth for Illustrator users. You will find familiar features like the pen tool for drawing precise paths and various shape tools for creating basic geometric forms quickly. Mastering keyboard shortcuts, such as pressing P for the pen tool or R for the rectangle tool, will significantly boost your design efficiency. We will explore these fundamental tools to get you moving beyond basic shapes. Mastering vector paths is crucial. You can precisely edit anchor points and Bezier handles to create smooth, organic curves, much like in Illustrator. Figma's Boolean operations allow you to combine, subtract, intersect, or exclude shapes, offering powerful ways to create complex forms. The unique Vector Networks feature lets you draw multiple paths from a single point. Also, convert text to outlines for complete control over your typography. When considering costs, KuCoin's spot trading fees typically begin at a competitive 0.1%. BingX often presents even lower fees for futures trading, sometimes as low as 0.05%, making it attractive for derivatives. Both platforms prioritize user safety, employing robust security measures like two-factor authentication. KuCoin further enhances protection with a dedicated risk control system, safeguarding user assets against potential threats. Figma truly shines with its component system and collaboration features. Create reusable components from any design element, ensuring consistency and efficiency across your projects. Use variants to manage different states or versions of a component, like a button's hover state. Figma's real-time collaboration allows multiple designers to work on the same file simultaneously. Finally, easily export your assets in various formats, including SVG, PNG, and JPG, ready for development or presentation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.